Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 13th, 1899. Jesus assumes the image of Luisa. He continued to make himself seen this morning, for just a little, always threatening to send chastisements. And as I would go about praying him to placate himself, he would escape me like a flash. The last time he came, he made himself seen crucified. I placed myself near him to kiss his most holy wounds, doing various adorations. But while I was doing this, instead of Jesus Christ, I saw my own image. I remained surprised, and I said, "Lord, what am I doing? To myself am I doing the adorations? This cannot be done." At that very instant, he changed into the person of Jesus Christ, and he told me,
"Do not be surprised that I have assumed your own image. If I suffer in you continuously, what is the wonder that I have assumed your own shape? Besides, is it not to make of you an image of me that I make you suffer?"
I remained all confused, and Jesus disappeared. May everything be for his glory, and may his holy name be always blessed. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.